Hello my dears, welcome back to my channel. In today's very short pronunciation video, I'm going to teach you this sound here. This is O. O. And what's interesting about this sound is that loads of my private students find this one really tricky. O. Let me teach you how to make the sound. So we're going to start off from the unstressed vowel. So we're going to relax. We're going to take some air from the lungs and we're going to blow it out. The tongue is resting at the bottom of the mouth. The lips aren't carrying any tension. They're not stressed. They're not tense. We have And then from there, we're going to pull the tongue backwards towards and this is the vowel in words like foot and pull. So it sounds like O. I don't want you to make your lips too tight. If your lips become too tight, then the sound becomes something more like O, which is fine if you're the Queen and it's 50 years ago, but if you want to speak a modern British English, we need O from that more relaxed position. O. We also need to make sure that both parts of this vowel sound are clear. They are different from each other. We can really clearly hear that movement. O. Okay, let's have a look at some of the ways that we spell this vowel sound. There are quite a few of them, I'm afraid. So first of all, we have this one here, O with a consonant and then an E. Children call this a magic E, or it can be called a split digraph, but yeah, O consonant E. So for example, we have the word home, hope, nose. We also spell this word with OA, for example, boat, road, coat. We spell it OW, for example, low, snow, window. Can just be spelt with the letter O, for example, go, open, don't. It can be spelled O-E, for example, toe, and foe, which is a little bit of an old-fashioned word meaning enemy. It can be spelled O-U, for example, soul, shoulder, though. Down in the caption underneath this video, I have put a link for you to download a free guide to all the vowel sounds of British English. I'll give you lots of examples of all of the vowel sounds, how to spell them, how to pronounce them. There's lots of exercises in there as well so that you can develop your own pronunciation without the help of a teacher. So download that guide just in the caption below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.